wishing Bharat and Prakriti a very happy
25th wedding anniversary.
anniversary. And we're expecting a big party end of the year once travel eases and we can be all there together. But in the meantime, one word for Bharat is fun-loving.
And one word for Prakriti is exuberant.
And them as a couple is
Complementary. May I add Bechara for Bharat?
Hi BG, hi PG.
Happy anniversary, bhai and PG.
Wish you a great 25th anniversary. Hope you have many more years like this to come. Always stay loved. So let's describe. What will you say for BG? What type of a person he is?
Very jovial.
Yes, fun-loving, and I love him so much.
And PG, very caring.
Yes,
Very caring.
the most affectionate girl I know. Have a great day. Love you.
Dear Bharat and Prakriti, love is meant to be forever, but in real life it needs lot of patience and sacrifice. A very, very happy 25th anniversary. Love you both.
Opposites are not contradictory but complementary. Marriages are perfect between a blind wife and a deaf husband. Suits you guys the most. Happy marriage anniversary, PG. You guys are great. Keep rocking like this as ever. Thank you. Bye.
अरे आप ऐसे ही मेरे को देख रहे हो. Hi Prakriti, happy Silver Jubilee. Wishing you both a very, very, very happy Silver Jubilee. Be just you guys are. You guys are perfect. Love you both.
A very happy 25th anniversary, Bharat Prakriti. One word for Prakriti, I would say she's a hyper girl, and for Bharat, he's a very good friend of mine, and I feel I'm very comfortable with him. And there are people whom I'm very fond of. He's one of them. Happy lockdown anniversary. Never thought that we'll celebrate your anniversary or we'll wish you through Zoom, but anyways, a very good happy anniversary and enjoy your day. Stay happy, stay blessed.
Bharat, Prakriti, very, very happy 25th anniversary. सिल्वर जुबली. बधाई हो तुम दोनों को. कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस. बी हैप्पी, बी ब्लेस्ड. बाय. अच्छा, एक शब्द जो भरत के लिए है, इज अ लिसनर, गुड लिसनर, एंड प्रकृति इज अ गुड टॉकर. चलो, these are the two words. They complement each other very well.
Happy 25th anniversary, BG, PG.
P2.
Wish you all the best.
Yes.
PG, for you I have to say, you're a true friend, dil se.
And you are perfect. And I love you.
BG, for you Pooja.
P2, you are a decent turkey.
Decent turkey. I think you're a total turkey. Wish you all the best again.
Love you.
Hi Chachi and Chacha, wishing you a very, very happy anniversary. 25th. पता नहीं कहाँ से time निकल गया इतना. I still so clearly remember your wedding in Jaipur and all the courtship that you had in Calcutta before that. And how can I forget all the fond memories that I have of you, Chacha, during my growing up years. How much did you try and scar me? You tried a lot, but you didn't succeed, thankfully. But it's going to be payback, I think now. अब आपको उद्धव तो तंग करने वाला ही है मेरे ख्याल से बहुत, और करना भी चाहिए. What goes around comes around. And I think the one word that I would like to use to describe you, especially after our G union this time, is Thakur. एंड शियाची आपको तो अगर शिया ठाकुर है तो आप ठाकुरायन, बट टुगेदर यू आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी, which is the most important thing, and you have raised a wonderful wonderful son in Uddhav. We are also proud of him, and we are also proud of you, and we hope that you have 250 more years together, because ये तो जन्मों जन्मों का साथ है. चियाची आपको साथ देना पड़ेगा, चियाची भी को भी साथ देना पड़ेगा. So thank you, all the very best, very very happy anniversary, and I'm gonna get the others to make the video too.
A very happy anniversary to you both. May you rock for another 25 years.
And you both put together, BGPG, are a hyper cool couple.
Okay, that's very brief. So I would like to say for both a different thing. I think Prakriti is perfect and paranoid. So she's perfectly paranoid. Bharat, on the other hand, behaves like a big boss. The one word which comes to my mind is big boss. He sits in one corner of his house, watches everybody peacefully, and then when he wants to speak, he speaks. But both of you make a very good couple, perfect couple, and I wish you loads and loads and loads of happiness in your married life.
Happy anniversary.
Hi guys, happy anniversary.
So we want to give what's one word we think of when we think of Prakriti Bhabi, Prakriti Taiji. Me should start.
Lovable and letting me do everything I want.
She's a doer.
Sharp.
Great. And for Bharat Bhaiya, Bharat Tauji?
Old.
Nishu?
Cheeky.
I would say calm.
Balanced.
And what about Tauji and Taiji together? What do you think when you
Sweet. Lovely.
I think they're very family oriented.
And I would say they are very complimentary of each other.
Great.
So wish you guys a very happy anniversary.
Happy years together.
And many more happy years. Wait, Nishu. Okay, thank you so much guys. Lots of love. Love, love, love.
Okay, bye. See you all next time. See you all next time. Bye-bye.
Dear BGPG, congratulations on another year of love and togetherness. In this year of 25th anniversary, wish you loads and loads of love and lots of happiness in the years to come.
Hey BG Pandey, hi, happy anniversary BGPG. यार अब गोल्डन एनिवर्सरी पे तो पार्टी दोगे कि अभी दोगे? जब खत्म हो जाए उसके बाद पार्टी तो चाहिए, बाहर लेके चलना ही है, ठीक है ना? चलो हैव फन, बाय.
Hi Chachi and Chacha, wishing you a very very happy 25th wedding anniversary. Hope you have a lovely day. Lots of love. Boys, wave out.
Can you say happy anniversary?
Happy anniversary.
Chota Dadu and Chota Dadi. Dadu and Dadi. Thank you, Baba. And give love, give lots of love. Kissy. Thank you, my angel. Thank you.
Hello, BGPG. Very, very happy silver anniversary. Our Prakriti, you are the most chulbuli person in our group. And Bharat, you are opposite. Most slow, what is called slow-mo person of our group.
BG and PG, happy anniversary. For me, BG is Mr. Indiscipline and PG is Mrs. Discipline.
Yo BG, happy anniversary da. Separate for you, separate for PG. 25th तेरे, तेरा separate, उसका separate. Enjoy da.
Bharat, Prakriti, very very happy anniversary. खूब खुश रहो, खूब खुश रहो. बेटा, तुम जब छोटा था, तुम जब पहली दफे कलकत्ते आया, तो तुम एकदम साउथ इंडियन लगता था. और अब बदल बदल के एकदम अपना मारवाड़ी हो गया.
मारवाड़ी के साथ शादी हुआ इसीलिए।
तुम और प्रकृति खूब खुश रहो, दिन दूना रात चुगना, खूब फलो फूलो, और उधर खूब अच्छे से तुम लोग को रिस्पेक्ट करे, तुम लोग की सेवा करे, उधर और सब तुम लोग खुश रहो, बस यही कामना है भगवान से।
Hi Bharat Prakriti, happy anniversary. One word for Bharat, Chupa Rustam Bavligan. One word for Prakriti, clean at heart.
Wishing vivacious Prakriti and the soft-spoken lover boy, Bharat, loads of happiness and togetherness on your silver anniversary. God bless you both.
Hi BGPG, wish you a great silver jubilee. We will celebrate it in a great way once all the locks are down. The one word for BG is Kamina, and some advice for PG is keep your eyes open and observe his actions. He is taking advantage of your innocence. Okay, now if you all can still have a good anniversary, enjoy. Bye-bye.
You are the first in our family to be born outside Calcutta. We were all born in Dundalk. Mohan was the first one to be born in Calcutta. You, the first one to be born outside Calcutta. I still remember very vividly your marriage in Jaipur. I still remember various types of churmas at the theatre Rajasthani Khana during your wedding. You are lucky to have a person like Prakriti as your companion, Sathi in life. She is so gifted, she so intelligent and excellent organizer. I congratulate you both to have a happy life and continue to be bubbly for another 25 and more, always. Bless you both and Uddhav.